External interference. The invisible wall. Think of external interference as trying to have a conversation in the middle of a loud construction site. You are shouting as loud as you can, but the sound of jackhammers and trucks is so loud that the person standing right next to you can't hear a word you're saying. In the world of technology, this happens when outside electrical or radio signals drown out the data traveling through your cables or through the air. Radio frequency interference, RFI. This type of interference affects anything that sends data through the air, like your Wi-Fi or your cordless mouse. Since many different devices use the same invisible radio lanes to travel, they can easily crash into each other. For example, a microwave oven uses a very powerful radio signal to heat up your food. If your Wi-Fi router is sitting right next to the microwave, the noise from the oven can be so loud that your laptop loses its connection the moment you start heating up your lunch. Other common culprits include baby monitors, old cordless phones, and even Bluetooth speakers. Electromagnetic interference, EMI. While RFI travels through the air, electromagnetic interference, EMI, usually attacks the data traveling inside your physical copper cables. Every time electricity flows through a wire, it creates a small, invisible magnetic field around it. If you run a data cable, like an Ethernet or VGA cable, too close to a heavy power line, a large electric motor, or even a bright fluorescent light fixture, that magnetic field bleeds into your data cable. This causes the bits of data to get scrambled or lost. It is like trying to whisper a secret to a friend while someone is shaking your arm. The message gets distorted. The shielding solution. The most common way a technician fixes this is by using shielding. Think of shielding like wearing noise-canceling headphones. Many high-quality cables have a layer of metal foil wrapped around the internal wires. This foil acts like a suit of armor, catching the noise from the outside world and draining it away before it can touch the sensitive data inside. This is why technicians prefer to use shielded twisted pair, SDP, cables in factories or offices with lots of heavy machinery, as it keeps the connection clean and stable. Physical separation. The simplest way to stop external interference is to just move things apart. If a Wi-Fi signal is weak or dropping, moving the router away from the microwave or the television can make a huge difference. For physical cables, the rule of 3 is a great beginner tip. Try to keep your data cables at least 3 inches away from power cables whenever possible. If they have to cross each other, make sure they cross in a plus shape rather than running side by side. This prevents the magnetic fields from overlapping too much and keeps your internet speed fast and your connection steady.